transport solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed makes profit. Chewbacca, my buddy friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye. I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical from me. And you, of course, when you move after all, even split 70-25. Madness. You're 10% off 25. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. And as we always say here, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Right, crew, all back to all
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
The crates, and we can split the profits. Go now and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. Wrong plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right, engineer. Launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. The Death Star. Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate to your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target.
Engineers, how many crates do we have?
Stay off the comms, Alaka. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. That's fine. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's head out the borders and more surprises. Make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Look at all these crates. You are skilled smugglers indeed. Perhaps you will learn more missions for Hondo.
Hondo, what did you do to my ship?
Okay, crew, now let's wrap this up. Quickly.